it's such a pretty day. The only thing wrong is my strobe light stopped working, and I need to get it fixed. But other than that, it's a great day today.
Hey Spider. Lol.
Not you again. You were here earlier asking for free handouts, which we don't do here. And don't you dare call me a spider again.
Yes, it's me. And I can call you anything I want.
You twisted jerk. I just said we don't give anything away for free here at Thor Golf. Well, with the exception of our golf balls, but only if you play a round of golf here.
I don't wanna play golf. Now you better give me a free Tempest Cola or I'll bust your horns off.
Oh yeah? How's about I challenge you to a duel?
Oh, it's on. Come on. Bring it on.
No, sirens. Let's be smart and bring it off.
Oh, so now the talking plywood is gonna preach to us.
Go away. And as for the giant spider, if you won't give me a free drink, I'll steal one.
You gonna pay $1 for that or
Hey. What do you say? Go away, you mascara stick.
Seriously 2810? Why do you keep doing that?
I hate burps. Especially that loud.
Well, if they don't say excuse me, that is none of your business. Now face my laser. Now to deal with that thief. Oh crap. He escaped. Now I have to go find him. Wait. Is he vandalizing the Thor Golf Clubhouse? You jerk. Stop breaking the windows.
Shut up.
If you pull the freaking fire alarm, so help me, I will ban you for life.
You can't hurt me.
That's it. Now tell me, why you did all this.
No.
I thorguard. What's with all the noise?
Hello, my sweetie. This isn't what it looks like.
Stop calling me cutesy names. I'm certain that this is exactly what it looks like. You were vandalizing the Thor Golf Clubhouse.
Actually, Thorguard laws just...
Don't blame me. You are now banned from Thor Golf until further notice. And the only thing you'll be doing here is cleaning up the mess you made.
Nope. I have a date with Kia. aka Gotchlingo.
No, you do not. Deal with it. Whoa. The explosion stopped the fire alarms. That is weird, but kinda cool. Now come on and help me carry P50's pole to the dumpster. Now, when he regenerates, he will find himself in a stinky pile of garbage. And he'll stay there until the police arrive and take him to jail. Now let's go clean up the damage. I know a siren good at replacing broken windows. Great. And I think I need a Tempest Cola after all that craziness. Good thing I get an employee discount. Well, let's make a run for it before P50 regenerates.
Oh, I'll get Tia's heart one day. I just know it. Wait. Why is my face in a pile of garbage? Did I get thrown in a trash dumpster again?
Oh look. P50's in the dumpster. Take this, you freaking trash compactor.
There. All clean. Sure is. Thanks for your help. Now all we gotta do is wait for the windows to get repaired. But anyway, at least P50 is gone for now.
P50, You are under arrest for stealing a Tempest Cola, vandalizing the Thorguard clubhouse, and harassing Thorguard and Tia. And when you get out of jail, you will be attending Blockhead Singularity School.
Crap.
Not that nerd Blockhead. And especially not jail again. Stop complaining.
God. Can't I get away with anything?
No.
I wasn't talking to you, twisted cop.